Hello everyone and welcome back to the series. Today we're going to take a look at the Anext built-in function in Python. So according to the Python docs, the Anext function is going to take an async iterator. Then it's going to return the next element from the iterator. And when there are no elements to return, it's going to return a default value. That is when a default value is provided. Otherwise, it's just going to raise stop async iteration. Let's take a look at an asynchronous countdown timer, which takes an integer as an input and counts down to 1. So here, the first thing we need to do is to import asyncio. That is a Python module for writing our asynchronous program in our code. Then we define async countdown timer. So we use the async keyword to indicate that the function is a synchronous function. Then we pass a start value. Then we loop from the start value down to 1. So 0 is going to be the stop value, but it's not going to be included. Then we decrement by 1 each time. Then we simulate a sleep of 1 second, and then the function is going to pause and yield the next number. From here, we define our main function, which is also asynchronous. Then we create an instance of the countdown function with a start value of 5. So 5 is going to be our start value. Then we count down. So we store that into the countdown iterator. Then we use a while loop to keep the function running until there are no elements to return. Then we use try to control the behavior of the loop. This is the moment we all have been waiting for. We use the ns, then we use the await because the function at this point paused and yielded the next number. So we use the await because the function is gonna wait and yield the next number. Then we print a next number with a message. Then using the except stop async iteration, that is when there are no elements to return. Then we print a message that there are no elements. Then we break out of the while loop. Then we use async io.run. Then we run the main function. So when I click on this button, it's just gonna start from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we are very helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to be updated whenever I release a new video. Thank you.